so too.
Hey, I can make your hands clap.
I told you we're not doing the hand claps. Yeah, we're not doing hand claps.
You already know. I can make your hands clap.
I told you no hand clap singing. That song is horrible.
Why?
'Cause you're an idiot. Yeah, he was known to be the idiot of the year 2000, Angry Bird Idiot of the Year 2016. And he's probably going to earn it 2017 this year.
Yeah, I bet so.
We don't even have to guess. Look at this guy. Look.
What? Don't blame me.
You are dumb. Get out here. Hi, I'm Bluebird. If you didn't see me in the last episode, check. You better subscribe, people. You better. I think you're too close. Yeah, I was too close.
Okay, now time to drink the beer, but the baby needs to be here to drink us beer. Beer with us.
I told you guys the baby cannot drink beer.
But we're not dumb. He can drink beer, guys.
Yeah, he can drink beer. I can make your, and also I can make your hands clap too.
Wait,
Oh,
wait, are you talking about me?
Where are you, baby? Okay, a few minutes later.
Trust me, Cattail, because baby can drink beer.
I want beer.
See?
What? You
He can
train
drink
him
beer.
to talk and drink beer?
Yep.
Then you're crazy. You guys are crazy. I'm out here.
Hey, where's Mighty Eagle?
Mighty Eagle is dumb.
Mighty Eagle is dumb. He better not come here with his dumb mohawk. I hate his dumb mohawk. Yeah, he's kind of dumb indeed. I met him and all he did was talk about his weird mohawk. Yeah, like who cares?
We're not talking form. Oh, yeah.
This is how it is. This baby needs to drink beer so bad. Like he was born to.
Well, I'm not dealing with it.
Well, he does need to.
How long is the video going to be?
We don't care. It's gonna be like 4 minutes.
No, let's make it longer.
I can make your hands clap. Yeah, seriously, why'd you let them drink beer?
Hey, guys, look at my mohawk.
Oh,
Shut your mouth.
Shut
you
up,
idiot.
you dummy. Yeah, this is what you get.
Yee!
Yeah, baby, you better like that.
Oh, you're going to get my mohawk dirty.
Like I care.
Hey, Cattail, will you marry me?
You're dumb, so no. And I'm already married.
Ow, 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 ow.
I just love when Mighty Eagle gets hurt. Alright, that's about it for today's Angry Birds Toons. There's going to be another episode of it today, so check it out. Bye!